Nanay, sulod na na. Feliz Navidad.
Pulis Navidad. Sama ng pulis. Pamantay, kabalo ang nabay pulis dali. Kaya di mo na tinuod. Naama na sa Amerika.
He's not here?
Pulis ka ututon. Pulis ka ututon.
Im na to. Kiwa niyo kay vitamin C man eh. Im na ba kay para mawala yung sipon. Okay. Very good. It's very good, Mac. I am very tired. Pagpalungan sa itong suga dito, Mac. Kaya makalas ko rin din, Mac. Dito sa...
Ay! Ala!
Ha? Ano man?
Ay, kuan.
Di kaon?
Oh!
Ana.
Ikaw na itong kuan ng ultra. Kung iling na kuan itong iko.
Ma! Ako na suga nila, se!
If you ever walk into your living room at night and see a monkey doing your mom's makeup, do not laugh. She is under a spell and she thinks it's your father. To break the spell, follow these rules. Rule 1. Grab the lipstick from the monkey's hand and toss it in the trash. The second it hits the bottom, your mom will blink twice. That means the spell is weakening. Rule 2. The monkey will screech and run to the kitchen. Follow him fast. He'll open the fridge and pull out a banana. Let him peel it, but when he takes the first bite, snatch it from his mouth and eat the rest yourself. Rule 3. Your mom will stand up and walk toward the bathroom mirror. Lock the door. Hand her a wet towel and say, "Wash your face." If she obeys, the makeup will drip off like paint. Rule 4. The monkey will jump on your back and try to cover your eyes. Spin 3 times fast and he'll fly off into the hallway. Final rule. When your mom looks at you and asks, "Where's your father?" The monkey.
Oh my God.
The spell is broken. But if
I went to
it
the
doesn't,
kitchen because the cat is running there. Maybe our food, eat it all. Put on the plate. Ano nga ba? Kaya makapiright ko.
Corazón, la sigaro,
Oh no.
so no na chukano na sa corazón.
Kiss ang mama. Grab ang mama. Grab ang
Gusto ko
mama.
din mong awat ang mga laki kay mo mang sumbag. Di mang kadagoy kontra sila katong kuan
Ayaw, bad.
mang ana o.
Kiss ang mama, kiss ang. Love pod.
Kanino yung pinakaisog katong
Love pod. Love. Mama. That's my son. Oh no. Okay guys, see you later. I will go into live again in the night time here. About 6 hours, 5 hours. Then I'll go live.
Ta sa dula syukaro basi.
Sibog. Sibog ba?
Corazón.
Tut.